Rookie, this is Control. Do you read? Copy this carefully. You're being redirected to Site Delta 9. That location was a highly classified research lab, off the books, no civilian clearance. Important detail. The lab sits less than 15 kilometers from the city perimeter. Population density was considered manageable. 1 month ago, all outbound communications stopped. No pings, no personnel movement, no power signatures. As of now, the facility is officially listed as MIA. Your orders are simple. Proceed to the site. Attempt to establish contact with any surviving staff. Maintain radio contact as long as you can. Control out. Control. Gate confirmed. Primary entrance. Still sealed. Look for nearby personnel. Security detail should have had override access. Control. Image received. That's security. That damage isn't gunfire. Something got close and tore through him. Fast and deadly. This wasn't a firefight. Keep that camera up. Control out. Control. Hold on. That shape, those claws. Rookie, tell me that's not what I think it is. Jesus. That's a dinosaur. Get inside, Rookie. I need to know how far they took this. Control the Rookie. Biolabs confirmed.
Grant, audio log 001. The Velociraptor was our first true breakthrough. Not the largest asset, but the first to think beyond instinct. We stabilized its genome by splicing missing sequences with compatible prehistoric lineages. A few of them grew physical traits we didn't expect. Necessary compromises, though none that explain its adaptive neural growth. There's an elegance to it, no wasted motion. Intelligence honed into a weapon. Most here see a military tool. I see something far more dangerous.